In incomplete records 2, the focus is on finding purchases, and this is an important figure which enables us to find cost of sales and also the gross profit. You'll remember in the previous video we found sales, so similarly we'll find purchases. Here we have the same resource again, and this time we'll be focusing on the figures that's relevant to finding purchases. So we'll need trade payable, the 5624, which is last year's trade payable closing balance, and the 7389, which is this year's trade payable or creditors closing balance. So we have our opening balance there and our closing balance on the side, and any other information related to our trade payable or our suppliers will come from the cash book. So this one here, payments to suppliers 29487, is what we what we paid our suppliers during the year, which is going to be very helpful in finding purchases. And then we'll also need to take into account some cash purchases, which is here in the additional information, and use that to find total purchases. Now here's a trade payable account, so we'll put the opening balance in here on this side. The opening balance is 5624, and the closing balance, being a liability account, will appear on this side, and the closing balance is 7389. The bank figure appears on this side as it appears on the credit side of the cash book, so debit side of this account, and it's 29487. I will tidy it up on the next slide. This is just to give you an idea and understanding of where the figures appear. So the missing purchases figure will be the figure that appears on that side. So we're going to add up the debit side's two figures, subtract the 5624, and the remaining balance, so the remaining figure, will be credit purchases for this year. So watch the next slide for this. Our missing purchases figure turns out to be 31252, and that's the credit purchases. We'll have to add to that the 2994, so plus 2994 gives us our total purchases figure, which will go on the income statement, and that figure is 34246. 34246. So now we found sales, we found purchases, so we can find the gross profit, and on another video I will show you how to make some other adjustments to find some expense figures in order to calculate the net profit, and I'll also show you how to find the opening capital figure, which will enable you to do the balance sheet.